Welcome to our channel. Today we how to open a certificate of deposit at Ally CD account guide step by step clearly. To open a certificate of deposit at Ally Bank, start by visiting the Ally Bank website. Navigate to the banking section from the main menu. Select certificates of deposit to review the different CD options available. Choose the type of CD that suits your financial goals. Take note of the interest rates and terms for each option. Once you've made your selection, click on the Open Account button. You will need to sign in to your existing Ally account or create a new account if you don't have one. To create a new account, complete the required personal information fields, including your name, address, and social security number. Be prepared to provide income information and other financial details as prompted. After your account is set up, log in to your Ally account. Select the CD account option you wish to open from your account dashboard. Input the amount you wish to deposit into the CD. Review the funding options available. Choose your preferred funding method, whether from an existing Ally account or an external account. Verify all information for accuracy before proceeding. Read through the terms and conditions associated with the CD. Once you agree to the terms, confirm your application. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is successfully opened. Keep track of your account details for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.